All right. The last word is you, ua, ufagio, and unga. So ua is like flour. Ufagio is the thing used to sweep the floor, all right? That's ufagio. And then unga is flour. This is flour and this is flour. So this is the one we use to cook. For instance, if you want to bake bread, in Tanzania we have one of the very delicious food called ugali. Ugali. Yeah, we're making it with this unga. So ua, ufagio, unga, u. A, e, I, o, u. And these are the vowels in Swahili. But we have so many words that start with A, you just need to memorize them for you to actually understand and to be able to speak Swahili. All right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, so right now, guys, we are going to connect between alphabet and vowel. Vowel and consonant. I'm going to join them together. But I'll tell you a little bit like in Swahili what is a consonant in Swahili is consonanti. Consonant in Swahili is consonanti. And vowel in Swahili is irabu. Irabu, so it's like irabu is vowel. And consonanti is consonant. Okay? Irabu is vowels and consonanti is consonant. So right now we'll try to combine them together. As I told you, A, E, I, O, U, we'll try to combine between A, E, I, O, U and Ba, Cha, Da and all those other letters. Okay, so try this. A, E, I, O, U. This is capital letter and small letters. Okay, and here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. Okay, my board is a little bit small, so I will delete and write the rest of the letters. And so we'll just try to write one. Ba, be, bi, bo, boom. Okay, all right, guys. So these are alphabet plus consonant or irabu. So irabu and consonant together. And so this is how you create, or this is how you get Swahili words. When you combine between consonant and vowel and irabu, consonanti and irabu. So for instance, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. You can follow along with me. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. I remember this is CH because C cannot stand alone. In Swahili, you must add H. So cha, chi, cho, chu. Da, de, do, do. Fa, fe, fe, fu. Ga, ge, ki, gu. Ha, he, he, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. And then after that, we have the rest of the letters. I'll show you later. But I believe from ba, cha, da, fa is fa. It's not hard to pronounce, right? Ga, ha. So this one, most of Koreans, they're having problem to pronounce J sound, J. So this is ya. Ya, je, ji, jo, ju. Ya. Alright? Ya. Ya. It's not ja. A lot of people, they say ja. No, it's not ja. It's ya. Ya. Okay? And Ka, la, ma, na, pa is not difficult. So, for instance, this is the words like consonant and irabu, and this is where you get words. So I will try to create different kind of words from this list of words here. Right now, I'll just show you the example of doing this. All right? Okay. So, for instance, this one, ba. We can get word from this ba. For instance, we can, like here, we can get so many words. So, for instance, in ba, if we add another ba here, is baba. Baba. Baba, it means apa. No, father or aboji. Baba, it means aboji. All right? Father. Okay. In CH, we can add another word here. Cha-cha. Or the other word that I taught you a little bit earlier. Cha-kula. Cha-cha or chakula. Chakula, it means food. Cha-cha. Cha-cha, it means the food that is rotten. Cha-cha. Cha-cha, rotten. All right. And then we have da here. We can add dada. Simple like that. Dada. Dada, it means sister. Sister. So, okay. We have another word here, fa. So this fa, we can take this fa, and then we can take G-I, and then we can take O. Alright? So it can be fa-gi-o. Fa-gi-o. Fa-gi-o is that the thing you use to sweep the floor. I don't remember the name, but the thing used to sweep the floor. We call it fa-gi-o. Fa-gi-o. Okay, in G, we can take, for instance, this G-O, with go-go. We call this go-go. Go-go is like, go-go is the big wood. It's the big wood. Like, it could be the pillar, you know. Go-go, we call it go-go. Or, we have another word called gari. You can take ga, and then we don't have here, I didn't write here, but you can add R-I. Gari. Gari is a car. Gari. It's another word. And so H, we can take this one. H-A-B-A and R-A. We don't have R-I here, but like it can be like this. Habari. Habari. Habari is also like the way of greeting somebody in Swahili. But also habari can mean how are you, or habari it can mean news. It has two different meanings. How are you or news. Habari. J-I. Okay, we can take this, for example, we can take this one, J-I, and then we can take K-O. We have here Jiko. 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 Jiko, it's kitchen. It means kitchen. Jiko. Alright. And then K, we can take K-I. And then I don't have space here, so I don't have ta, but I can write here ta. And then B-U. So kitabu. Kitabu. Kitabu, it means book. A book. Kitabu. That's a word that you can find here. L-A, Lala. Do you guys know the movie La La Land? Did you know that Lala is Swahili word, which means sleep? Lala, sleep. Swahili word. So Hakuna Matata is Swahili word. Lala, Swahili word. Safari, Swahili word. And even Hakuna Matata, ha, you can take here the word ha, it's here, ha, and then K-U, K-U is here, ku, and then N-A here. So ha, ku, na. Matata, you can take ma here, and then T-A-T-A is down there. After P, you have down there, so matata. So you have ha, ku, na, matata. Yes. All right. M. So M, Okay, I already written here matata. Matata means problem. You can have like something like matata. It's M. We have word here like nasi, like nanasi. S-I. It's down there. Nanasi means pineapple. It's pineapple. Nanasi. All right. Oh, another word we have here. Ne. N-E. Ne. And then S-I. Nesi. Nesi. In English is nurse, right? In Swahili is Nesi. It came direct from English. Nesi. All right, this is interesting. I hope the lecture is not boring. Okay, P-A, we have one word, pa, and then we can add with S-I, pasi. Pasi. Pasi is iron. And iron is pasi. All right, so let's go to the rest of the words. All right, R. So for instance, we have the word like re, and then you take D-I, you know, D-I-D, D, and then you add with vowel, O. Radio, we call radio. In English is radio, right? Radio, in English is radio, but in Swahili is radio. It's exactly just came from English word, all right? And S, we have this word, sasa. Sasa, it means now. Right now, sasa, right now, sasa. Oh, another word is here, sina. Sina means I don't have. I don't have. I don't have. All right, and then let's go to T. We have one word here. You can add T-A and M-U, mu, from M. Tamu. Tamu, it means delicious. Delicious. Tamu. Okay, another word, T-A, we have here, ta. Ta is like lamp. Ta, lamp. Lamp. Or you have another word here called Tano. Tano means 5. 5. So give me Tano. Give me 5. Or something like that. All right. Over here we have Tisa. Tisa means 9. Number 9. Tisa. And things like that. All right, let's go to V. V-A-A. Va. Va, it means wear. If I want to wear clothes, it's wear. Va. It's easy, right? Va. V-A-A. Va. Oh, another word we have here. V-I-T-I. V-T. V-T is chair. Chair in English. Chair. V-T. Chair. Okay. Oh, another word we have here. Vua. 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 Va. Vua. So vua is the opposite of va. Va is wear clothes. Vua is take off your clothes. Right? Taking off. All right. Let's go to W. W we have here wow. Wow plus irabu or vowel. Wow. Wow, it means them. Them. All right. Oh, here we have another word called wali. Wali is a food. Which is, what is the most famous food in Korea? That people they always eat from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's rice. That's wali in Swahili. All right. Why? Okay. Why we have yai. 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 Yai is keran. Egg. Yai. Egg. All right. Zeri. The last one, we can have here word zabibu or zima. Zabibu. Zabibu is podo. Podo. This is podo. And zima. Zima is like turn off. If you want to turn off something. Hey, zima ta, like turn off the light. Zima. All right. So honestly, I've tried to use the first line. But you can find so many words from everywhere here. And one interesting thing that you found something like this, like you have here a consonant and then you have two vowels here. So in Swahili, most of the time, if you have consonant, then you can just build up your word with vowels. Consonant and vowels. Always it's like that. And so if you want to learn more of these words, and if you want to understand, then you can just, You know, you can just write you can write this on your piece of paper, and then you can try to find different kind of words. Even through internet, you can try to do that. Yes. But I would try to prepare this lecture and actually maybe later on upload even the written materials of everything that I'm telling you right now, so that you may be able to access the written and the listening as well. So that's good. All right. This is the first part of our lecture today. And I know today it was a little bit boring because it's the very beginning of everything. We're learning about consonant and vowels, which is not really easy. But I guarantee you, the next lecture, I will be learning about greetings. How can you greet in Swahili? And that's the most important thing. And it's a very interesting thing, because if you go to Tanzania and if you meet Swahili people, you always begin with the greetings. You always have to do that. So that will be our next lecture. I thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again in the next lecture. See you here, right here at the same time. Okay, see you there. Swahili Nation, Swahili to the world. Thank you.